afternoon, everyone. And now my surgery. I had a major accident in Port of Lome, that is in South Africa, and I was coming from the lift from 5th floor. So suddenly had a free flow from 4th floor, and it came down to -1. So the moment I realized that it has a free flow, my lower part below the knee was like I was not able to feel that my leg is there or not there, because it was totally, I cannot feel anything. So I thought that my leg has been cut, but thank God I could see my leg, but it was all swollen and everything. So in the night only we went to doctor place, and doctor had an X-ray and said that it's require a very major surgery. But I was not very confident on the doctors, because they took at least 1.5 days to to see that what kind of injury it is. So I was being asked by the company to flee with the doctor from South Africa. So I came in a flight along with the doctor. Doctor also accompanied me from Africa. And then why I choose CK Pinda is because CK Pinda, I've been here. I have been treated. My wife has been treated here for the major surgery by doctor, a gynae doctor. So we have full faith. And second thing is that I also live in Gurugram. So we did not have any. We did not even see any other option. But it directly came from airport to CK Pinda. So here I met Dr. Anuj Chawla, and he saw my X-ray. Then other X-ray. Then CT scan also. So then what he explained was very a very high level of injury, because he was talking about tibia, fibia. Then he was talking about the all the ligaments, membrane, and the ankle was dislocated, and there was like a pieces of bones also, very small pieces. So he said that it will be a major surgery, and I arrived CK Pinda on 30th November, and 2nd December surgery was being performed. Surgery ended up in 4 hours. It was again, I will say that it was very tough, but the amount of injury which I had, maybe you can say feet and ankle are like it's like a crash. Like I had a car crash, and it's like it's like a crash happening. So everything was damaged very, very severely. So this is the background of my injury. But then surgery happened on 2nd of December, and there were a lot of stitches, 20 stitches and 7 stitches here. So, and the attitude, I will say, of the doctor is very, very positive. Doctor and team, I will say team. So Dr. Anuj Chawla and team are very, very cooperative. They were explaining me each and everything, though the injury was very severe, but they never showed that it's a very severe injury, because they are so, you can say they are so efficient in their jobs, or efficient in their profession, that it looked like it goes very smoothly. Like the way they were saying, yeah, okay, so plaster will be cut in these days, then major plaster will be coming in this day. So exactly it is built. They have maintained such a best deadline I have never seen before. And the deadline was such that it was deadline before 5 days only. They were they were ready with the things, and they were ready with all the answers. So now this is today. Then after the surgery, stitches and everything, the plaster cutting, they have given me very good shoe, which I used for 1 month. And after 1 month, when I had an X-ray, so it was all okay. But there is some physiotherapy left. But I am able to walk, which is the most you can say best part of being in CK Pinda. Injury, starting from injury, operation, stitches, physiotherapy, it is 2.5 months, and I am able to at least walk. So I am very grateful to hospital, Dr. Anuj Chawla, and other their team members, plus my physiotherapist, Mr. Mustaqim, who was I will say effortless. With lot of effort, he was visiting daily to my residence in DLF, and he was also is very, very positive. And we with all the team effort, I am now able to walk, which I am very, very grateful.